Hey y'all, it's Mrs. B and I have a hack for you. You know your old cards that you don't need, or you can even just wipe it off and use it, but watch this. The waxer, look how smooth that comes off. Watch again. Don't tip it over though. Look at that. Doing one-handed too. Look at that. Skills for days. See that? Came right off. While it's on and warm, just don't spill it again. And it even does the glass. Anyway, I don't want to bore you, but a little tip from Mrs. B. And guess what? You can take the paper towel and shine the little windows if you have one of these. It works on any of them. I've been going around the house cleaning up my waxers. It makes the house smell good. Look at that. Recycle this plastic by using it for cleanup. And make sure you get it off the floor. Soon you can even put it back in. Bye.